we're investing our time wrong. So this video is basically about the idea that a lot of what we're doing with our time is useless, but not in the simple way, right? Obviously, everyone's heard of the 80-20 rule, and most activities are a waste of time, and everyone knows this. But even beyond that, what if you have eliminated most of your activities and you're just doing the ones that you think have the highest return? You're still potentially wasting a lot of your time, and I'll explain why. So, for example, I spend a lot of my time doing mind control, right? That's the thing I talk about. I switched from a different type of meditation to this mind control, which I thought was more beneficial. But imagine if there was a different activity which was even more beneficial than mind control to get me to where I want to be. And you can see the problem now that's developing, right? What if instead of just doing the same activity again and again and again, we need to be spending our time doing a sort of research and development into new activities that could benefit us more than what we're doing right now? What if the current gym routine is wrong and it's just not leading to a lot of growth, but there's a different routine? If we spend some time researching and then trying things out, it would lead to a lot more results. And so now you can see what I'm trying to get at is maybe we need to spend time researching and testing out new activities, and this will lead to better activities which ultimately give us more of what we want. And so it seems like a no-brainer, why don't we all just do this? And like the answer I realized is that even when I switched from awareness meditation, there was a lot of hesitance, because when you're attached to a certain activity, you kind of worship it as the thing that is the best, right? So for example, for me, mind control right now, it feels like the best thing and the most important thing, and how could anything else lead to the same result? It's impossible. And you can see why this attitude is a bit dangerous, because it's not so much danger, but we're not really going after better pursuits anymore. We're just sticking with the same task again and again. And so I think more of an emphasis needs to basically be made on testing new things, new activities, right? Maybe there's other things that are better and they give you more of what you want, but you wouldn't know without testing. And so you need to experiment a lot in your own life, spend months and months testing one thing. Maybe this didn't work, then spend months testing another thing. And the problem is also that you need to spend a lot of time doing this testing, right? You're not going to know if a certain activity is helping you just by doing it for a day or even a week. It's gonna have to you're gonna have to spend a lot more time than that to really, figure out, is this helping me? And that's also part of the issue of why we don't really bother to, invest our time better. And so for me personally, my gym routine, I've experimented a lot with new routines, new exercises, new methods. Also, with meditation and mind control, I need to definitely start improving there. I need to start testing new activities that I haven't before, really. Because, again, maybe there's a better way to do things than mind control.